In this Adobe After Effects tutorial, we'll be learning about an effect called radio waves. So this effect is basically used to generate a looping motion, especially some looping waves, and these are used to generate some cool backgrounds. Let me first create a new composition. I'll hit OK, and now I'll go to Layer and add a new solid. This is fine, and I'll hit OK. Now make sure you select the layer, and from Effect, from Generate, click on radio waves. Once you do that, you can see that the effect has been added here. And if I move forward in the timeline, you can see that some, looping waves are created, and we can tweak the waves depending on the settings that we have here. So increasing the frequency would increase the number of waves. Expansion would increase the size of each wave. You can change the velocity, and it would actually change the direction of waves. And you can also change the producer point to a different position, and it would act as an originating point, and the waves would be starting from that specific origin. Also, let me just undo this and show you. You can change the polygon, the number of sides, and then change it to a different shape. Having three sides would give you a triangle, and then having five sides would generate a pentagon, something like this. And you can also increase the number of sides, and you can generate some, you know, octagon or similar shape depending on the number of sides you have here. I'll increase it to, greater than 60 so that it would be, a circle. In addition to that, you can also play with the color here. You could change the color to depending on your requirement. And there is also other option called fade in and fade out. You can also set the start width and end width as well. It all depends on your requirement. I basically use this effect to generate some cool backgrounds for my videos. You can also enable the reflection, and if you can notice, as soon as the wave hits the bottom portion or the sides, the waves would start reflecting, and it would look something like this, and it would generate some cool patterns. And this effect is basically used for generating some cool backgrounds. One quick tip that I can give you here is that I'll select the rectangle tool and create a shape something like this, or create a mask something like this. And from the wave type, I'll select the mask, and from the specific mask option that we have here, I'll select the mask one that we have generated. And if I start playing the video, you can see that the waves are being created in the form of the mask shape that we have created. And you can create any type of mask shape and generate the waves depending on your requirement. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that's the case, give us a thumbs up, and see you guys next time with another tutorial.